Okay then. This is very interesting. Well, hello everybody, it's me Francesco and welcome. It's really late at night for me by the time that this game released, but it's here. The first alpha for Hello Guest, and already we can see that the menu has been improved from last time. I didn't really dislike the original menu actually, it was pretty cool because you could only see silhouettes. Well, now it's there is a lot more things going on. All the crows right here. I'm going to guess I have to press continue. Oh, so we can choose who to play as, I think. We're just going to test out with the guy first. Oh, I have to press enter afterwards. I will be playing as both perspectives because I think the game might change according if you play as one character or the other one. Because technically we are a guard at a... we are a security guard at a... ooh. Okay, you might want to have the protections over there. Oh, it's lagging because it has to load the whole game in. Oh, or a bike. Oh, there's the car. Oh, there he goes. Is the game downloading the whole thing? I think it has, finally. Oh, you can hear the train? What happened there? Oh yeah, things are placeholders. Door locked said... oh, that sign is dead. Yeah, you might wanna fix them glasses. So that's where we came from, and that's our bike. We might... so, yeah, I have a map. How do I can crouch. Oh, that's cool, you have oh, splashy noise. How do I oh, I have an inventory. And we can have our clock at 60, okay. Can I look at this map, please? Okay, there we go. From here I have to walk. There's supposed to be a car park. What is that, gas station, I think? And we walk this way though, because we just have the... ooh, mud puddles. I love the aesthetics of the game, they definitely improved. Except for the placeholder cones. Yuck. I don't think we are actually inside the park yet. Oh, what happened to that car? It's untextured. What the heck is that? What does that mean? Excuse me? Oh, it's a rocket slide. Or, it's, yeah, right. It's the rocket ride from the prototype. Because that's a booth in the actual thing. We need to go this way, it seems. Because there is an arrow, and it was also on the map. Oh, I bet we have to go over there. Oh, yeah. Oh, hello, Birdman. Hello. Recosutis. Okay, whatever. Close the door. Never know. Hello? Okay, so I think he loaded us in the main map. Start shift. Check the top of the mountain. That's a cool phone. Also, we got the chair. Can I oh my god, this is cool. We have a locker. Okay, I'm gonna be placing that thing in there. Okay, there's a bit of input lag. Oh, what is this? I'll be taking that. Okay, I think it's a fire extinguisher. Oh, cutscene. Bright binoculars, right, what the heck? Oh, that thing is falling over. Yeah. Oh, what? And now the arm is back. How does this work? Excuse me, you stupid birdman. Oh no, the bat! Oh, I remember this. We have vandals destroying the... Oh, you! Get out of here. Where are they? Hey! Get out of here. What noises are they making? Excuse me. This is what I'm supposed. This is my. Oh my God! What? How? What are they? What are you guys wearing? I was about to say. Oh, there you are. Never. What the heck? What are you doing? Look. You chill over there. There you go. Lovely. The ragdoll. Hold up. I want to see that again. Hey, ragdoll again.
Nope.
Maybe they'll pay me for injuring who's injuring the park. I see you. Boom. Oh. Is the shift ended? I'm going to guess it did. Oh, okay. Yeah, you might want to flick the lever, close the door, turn off the light. Lock the door. You left the key in there. Okay. Reward for cop van. Okay, so it doesn't work if you ragdoll then. That's for sure because it didn't count. But we get shift salary. Okay. Cop vandals. How do I catch those guys? Excuse me. Insurance penalty, okay, nothing, property damage penalty, oh, okay. 99, can I go to store? Let's load all the maps, just cause. Ew! Yeah, this is when you can tell that this is early access build or something. Disgusting looking. Pretty sure that's not supposed to happen. I'm just going to pick you up, but to put you back in your spot. Stay there. Oh, hello. These guys are just chilling. Hey. You can look at your textures. May-dab. Okay. Don't dab, it's really outdated right now. Cameras? A monitor? Okay, it's too expensive. Okay, we have $4.99. Oh, it's a spotlight thingy, cables, a generator, and I can buy it. I might wanna get this. You never know, because it's a brand new item. Also, the cables. Interesting. Now, I do know that there's stress level in this, so you do want to grab some of this, because this tea, you're just kicking stuff. Oh wait, my flashlight ran out of batteries, so you might want to grab, see how this works. Perfect. Oh, get out. What the? Excuse me? And now you're. How did you get over this? I know that guy is around. we're going to be using the key. And I'll be opening stuff. Anyways, what we have to do next is go up here, where I originally had no idea what this was for, but apparently there's some pretty interesting things up here. So, I know that I can use the key to open these, and there is a way to actually activate this, but I have no idea how that will actually work right now. The problem is, you see this door, there is a generator right behind it. Now I can just open the door and I'm pretty good. Anyways, what we want to do now is go over here. I'm not really going to mind those guys, but this puzzle back here, I think I now know how to solve it. Literally, just in our first shift, I don't think we're going to be doing this entire thing, but I can. Oh, there we go. So then left click, there we go, we have the generator down here, and we need to use cables connected to this thing and something should happen. But I don't have the cables right now. So just for good measure, I'm going to be opening the house so that then I can discard the key. There we go. And hopefully the guest, oh no, the guest is just taking it easy because it's the first day. Look in here, we got ourselves 2 cables, but in order to activate the machine we need another one. And we have a camera, but we need a camera monitor in order to do everything. So we need to go to the store, and we did actually get some cash. So if you go to the store, look, we have 500 V-Bucks, I don't know what they are. Anyways. I really wish I could turn off the motion blur. It's really trash. So we already have pretty much everything. As you can see, I didn't have to buy any of those. All we need is a monitor, and I should. Oh, I don't. I don't know that you can actually sell stuff. So, because I need an extra cable. So I'll try to figure out what we can do. Because right now, as you can see, well, we have the camera monitor, but we don't have any cameras. Or no, actually, I'm going to be placing it here. I'm going to be grabbing the flashlight. I have 3 fire extinguishers. I don't need all of those. What I'm going to be doing is I can actually sell one of those. And I'm going to show you how, because I had no flippin' idea that this existed, but by fiddling around I figured it out, and I actually want to show this to you guys. You see this? It says it's pretty much recycle equals V-Bucks. That's what I'm going to call them. Well, if you throw something in here, you get money. And there we go. We should have all the money that we need to just buy an extra cable. And also, just for good measures, I guess I can grab some tea. Now I'm just going to be going all out and grabbing everything. You don't have to worry about the vandals right now because I'm going to be doing things differently. So, a good way that you can just lock this, in order to lock them outside, you close this thing. Actually no, you open it. And you place this literally in there, in the middle. So what we can do now is let's get this over with. Yeah. There we go. So now what we do is we press this hold up, it needs, there we go, power, press button 1, and now if you look at that, it's the first out of the 4 lights, which means turn this, and the fourth one, second one, and then the third one. So as you can see, this is open now. What you want to do next is I'll just throw this thing, because this thing cannot be opened, but you can throw something at it to just open it. Pretty nifty. And there's some lights up there. But in order to get up there, this elevator doesn't actually work. So that's why we need the fire extinguisher. And as you can see, it can't do anything, it's just stuck in there. Hoi! And we have done it. We're now on the roof of this thing. And surprisingly, there's this hole. And there's this machine in here with this tube. And as you can see, it's I don't really know what it is. Apparently it's supposed to be like a crafting machine. I'm going to be putting this down. And I can't see anything. So like we need to turn this on using the cables. There we go. Just needs 2 of them. It's not doing anything because it didn't activate it. There we go. So we throw the gas in there. Then we throw the fire extinguisher in there. And it's supposed to craft something. If we... Oh, there we go. It's done. Turn it off. I must say, I do like the crafting idea in this game. And apparently it's... these things... which are untextured and they're supposed to be bouncy shoes. As you can see, I'm taller if I put them on. Yeah, and this is going to allow me to jump higher. There we go. Damn it. There we go, here we are. Okay, I've done it. As you can see, this door is closed. If I place a camera right here, I can now see myself over there, but I can finally take a look at this combination right here. Keep our monitor out and let's see what the combination is going to be. That's that. Number 2. It's the 4th one. Third one. 1st one. Second one. And we're done. And I think we should have gotten access to a new area. Get out. Let's go. Okay. Come on. You're getting close. You're up here. Perfect. Now we get up there. I'm up here. Don't screw it up. The door is right there. Just... I got it! Oh wow, first try I actually got in. What is this? Ugh. Placeholder table and stuff. Ugly. Ugly. Oh, what? Is this an hidden area of the park? Oh my god, it is. Oh wait, I think this is oh, this leads to the mountain, I bet. Because like in the, you know, the checklist, can I Oh, we have the Ferris wheel over there. That's interesting. We have things in here. Oh. It's So, oh, what? Oh.
What?
Someone is pulling up with the car. It's a lot of rubble. You got caught, mate. Is that... Oh! The man in the hat. It's him. He's back. Oh, and there you have it. I think it's done. I think we completed the demo. So guys, no, yeah, if it wasn't for me looking up how to actually finish the game, I don't think I would have figured out that easily how to do it, but we have done it. We figured out the ending. At least the only known ending in the game, because technically in the prototype you had 2 endings, this time you only get 1, I think. But still, this is Alpha 1, so all the stuff that you're seeing is subject to change. We don't know what's will be coming next with the second Alpha, which is actually going to be dropping out in July. It's going to be Hello Guest Summer for the entirety. That'll be awesome. If you have any suggestions on some weird shenanigans or other things that I can test in the build, let it know down in the comments, and I'll see if I can get anything out of it. Again, I would like to just try it out, messing around with the crafting machine and see what we can get out of it, because I bet we can craft a lot of more useful items that still you might not craft usually in this gameplay, but they just help you out solving the puzzles. As you can see, the bounce issues were not actually needed apparently, though I wanted to test it out with the combination that I saw in the trailer. Leave a like if you have enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already. We've reached 2K subscribers. I'm just blown away by the idea. What? And again, if you are already subscribed but you don't want to miss any of my new upcoming videos, hit that notification bell, smack it real hard, it's right there, do it. For the rest, share the video as well. So, I'll see you in our next adventure. Bye everybody!